Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this KALAR Vacuum Seal and Airtight Food Storage Container Set with lids. The listing on Amazon says reusable, stackable, airtight containers set, great for marinating meat and food. 3 pieces. I mean, it comes in different sets. Here we have a 3-piece set, and it's listed for around $30. Has very good reviews. It is suitable for refrigerating and also for the freezer. It comes in this nice packaging with some description here, and it gives you also some recommendation on temperature. And it says actually that the body can only be used until -10 degrees. And I've been checking with this seller and they confirmed that this is just an error here. It's safe until -20 degrees as well. So you don't have to be worried to put this also in the freezer and not only into the fridge. I've already been taking out this thing out of the box and been using for a couple of days and tested the air tightness and everything, vacuum and everything has been working really good. We get some small instruction manual, but it's actually not needed. This is one of the biggest tests for me always, if something works even without the instruction, and this definitely does. So when it comes in the box, this is what you get. These things are separate. You just have to put this thing on top to make it a little bit easier and comfortable for you, but it would also probably even work without. So how to use this thing? I mean, we have these containers in these 3 different sizes, and usually when we have it without the vacuum, there is a little bit of a lock here, but not too much. Be careful, especially when you have a large container like this one full. Don't just pull it like here with the lid without the vacuum. But with the vacuum is very strong. You can easily lift even the heavier ones, and even this one here when you have the vacuum. So how to apply the vacuum? It's very easy. You just put this thing on top and then you push it down a couple of times. And it's already finished, and you can see there's a really hard vacuum here. It's impossible to lift this up. It's absolutely impossible. No matter what I do, you can see how hard this vacuum is. This is insane. Really nice. And there's a little bit of a difference also here to see. You can see here we don't have a vacuum, here we have a vacuum. It's maybe a little bit difficult to see the difference on the camera, but in real life you definitely will see a difference, that the button here or the seal is a little bit soaked in. So how to open? It's also very easy. You just pull a little bit here and then it will soak in the air, and then we can open it very easy. So I've been using this already here for a couple of days with this rice. You can easily reopen this thing and use it, and then close it again and seal it with this pump. And so it's absolutely airtight again and nothing will happen. And then I can store it even for a longer time. It will keep fresh for a long time, and I don't have to fear that some insects will go into that. It's absolutely safe. It's so great, by the way, the quality. What I wanted to show you as well before I forget, this thing is really solid. The lid is great, and also this bottom part, this looks like glass and it almost feels like glass. This is definitely away from being cheap plastic or so. This is massive. This is really nice thing. There's just one restriction regarding the usage. Don't put it into the oven or use it in the microwave. It could be damaged, and that would be a shame for this really great set. So I love this thing, and I will definitely buy more of them. Absolutely fantastic quality. So I'm super happy with it, and I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.